All right, so a little bit of the engine build. I'm changing the sleeves. As you know, this combination used to be a blown alcohol engine. I've got some new pistons, new camshaft. Going to leave the same bore stroke combination in it, 4.310 by 4.5 inch, 526 inches. Basically kind of the stuff I have. But didn't want to do any more blown alcohol stuff. Wanted to go injected nitro racing in the funny car. Always wanted to have a nitro car. This is about the only way I can do it. So, and I'm over my head, as I'll admit. But some of the things that a lot of people don't know or see sometimes, and hopefully Dave can share it on this D-Loaning V8 channel, is the build. One of the things I wanted to do is I wanted to start with all brand new rods, all brand new pistons, all brand new rings, bearings, crankshaft, everything fresh in the bottom end. And with that also comes the sleeves. These aluminum blocks, these billet aluminum blocks, they have steel sleeves that go in them that the pistons sliding up and down on. And so what I'm doing is I'm changing out the old sleeves because they aren't necessarily the most round, and they've got a little bit of scoring in them. So I want everything to be fresh and ready to go when we do this. So you're gonna see me, I've taken out all of the sleeves but one. It's kind of a long process when the block is cold like this. When it's hot, if you burn a piston and you scuff a sleeve, when the block's hot, these sleeves just pop right out. But with it being the temperature that it is, it's ambient temperature, so there's a mechanical puller that slides on the block and sits right on the head studs like this, and this device goes down and it pulls the sleeve up. So you're going to see that action happening. So it's a little bit of a long process. I'm just going to do the last one, and then we'll heat the block up and we'll put some sleeves back in it. So here we go. So that aluminum puck fits at the bottom of the sleeve, and it's just the diameter of the sleeve, so it doesn't capture on the block. And then you got this threaded shaft, and you're basically mechanically drawing it out, kind of like one would do with the damper. So there you go. You feel it start to knock loose. It's slowly but surely coming out. It's a process. Don't know if you can see it down here, but I'm almost to the top of the register of the sleeve. I'm going to stop and get you up close here. So as you can see, the sleeve's already coming out. There's just that little bit of the register that kept it to the top. This is what the bores look like without the sleeves in them. You can see that it has this land that's the top that you see right here, and then it goes all the way down. There's another step down further down the sleeve. You'll see that when I pull. So as I'm starting to bring it out, it's getting a lot easier. It's coming out, less effort. Okay, we're getting close to it coming off of that second register. It's kind of a slow process, but it's worth it to get new sleeves put in here. Yeah, it's going to pop here in just a second because we're just about, yep, there we go. So that's loose. And back this off. There you go, see the sleeves loose. There you go, so got the sleeve puller out. You can see the register difference. That's for the lower one. So sleeve looks okay. This one's not too bad. It's got a little bit of scoring in there, but it was not quite what I wanted round. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this block all cleaned up. Scotch-Brite these a little bit, take some of the little bit of the gnarl off of them, and make it fresh and ready to take. Well, I lost my videographer, but so I had to put these in. We set a tray here, fill it with some alcohol, light it on fire, put some heat in the block. Look at those nice, beautiful, round sleeves, ready to do their job. So yeah, that's what you do. The block's about 200 degrees right now, so the aluminum swells up. Put all of the sleeves in the freezer, shrink them down a little bit, and yeah, that's what you do.